Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that you have apps not showing or missing on your home screen. So here, as you can see, we have our home screen, but we have a lot of applications that are here and aren't here. So what we have to do now, at first we have to hold the finger on the background and tap settings. Here, as you can see, we do have, if we scroll a little bit down, show apps screen button on home screen. Don't check it actually. Add new apps to home screen. We have to check it, and now we'll have every single application that we install on the home screen directly. Now we can go into settings, and now we can scroll down to the apps. If you are missing the application, search for this application that you are missing on your home screen. For me, it's Instagram, and here your application may be disabled. Here, as you can see, we have our application disabled because I didn't use this application actually. So let me use Instagram for a moment and turn it on. Here now we will see that our application can be force stopped. If we tap that and tap OK, now our application is, as you can see, disabled. And now we have to open this application to enable this application back again. And now it may be sent directly to the home screen if we reinstall this application or reappear over here. So if it was disabled and it wasn't here, you can now drag it from the app drawer to your home screen back again. Apart from that, if we go back to the settings and here scroll back to the applications, some applications, for example like this Copilot over here, can be, as you can see, archived. If it's archived and not installed, but it is on your phone in the applications, tap restore over here and now it will be restored back on your phone. Apart from that, you can reboot your phone to clear any glitches that may appear on your phone. Tap here, hold this power button and volume down button and tap restart here. This should fix any glitches that may occur in your phone. Apart from that, you may have just your application sent to drawer, not to the home screen directly. And that's it for this video actually. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like under this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.